Can you imagine a country with over 17,000 islands? That's right, you heard it correctly, 17,000. Today, we are embarking on an astonishing journey to the world's largest archipelago, Indonesia. This Southeast Asian nation, cradled between the Indian and Pacific Oceans, is not just about its staggering number of islands, it's also a melting pot of vibrant and diverse cultures. Each island has its own unique traditions and customs, weaving a captivating cultural tapestry that's just as diverse as its geography. So, are you ready to unearth the hidden marvels of this enchanting country? Let's plunge right into the adventure. Did you know that Indonesia is home to approximately 130 active volcanoes? An intriguing fact, isn't it? This is because Indonesia is situated on the Ring of Fire, a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. This is a geographically significant place on our planet that boasts a high degree of volcanic activity. Among these 130, some have etched their names into history, like Mount Krakatoa. This infamous volcano's eruption in 1883 was one of the deadliest and most destructive volcanic events in recorded history. Then there's Mount Bromo, with its ethereal beauty drawing in thousands of tourists each year. These fiery mountains not only add to the diverse landscape of Indonesia, but also play a pivotal role in shaping its culture and lifestyle. Imagine the thrill of witnessing a volcanic eruption in person, only in Indonesia. Now let's talk about the world's largest lizard that calls Indonesia its home. Welcome to the world of the Komodo dragon, a creature that is as fascinating as it is fearsome. This giant lizard, which can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh more than 300 pounds, is a sight to behold. The Komodo dragon is an apex predator, ruling the ecosystem of the islands it inhabits. They are found on only 5 Indonesian islands: Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Motang, and Padar. Each one is a testament to Indonesia's incredibly diverse wildlife. But what truly sets the Komodo dragon apart is its deadly saliva, teeming with over 50 strains of bacteria. Once it bites its prey, the bacteria in its saliva slowly incapacitates the victim, leading to a sure but slow demise. These creatures are a testament to Indonesia's rich and diverse wildlife. The Komodo dragon is a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty that Indonesia has to offer. With over 700 living languages, Indonesia is a linguist's paradise. This archipelago of over 17,000 islands is a melting pot of cultures, each with their own unique language. The official language, Bahasa Indonesia, serves as a unifying thread, but the linguistic diversity goes far beyond that. Travel from Sumatra to Papua and you'll hear the rhythmic cadences of over 700 different tongues. From the lyrical Batak in North Sumatra to the melodious Balinese on the island of the gods, each language tells a unique story of its people and their history. Yet, despite this linguistic diversity, a sense of unity prevails. Bahasa Indonesia, a variant of Malay, was chosen as the national language due to its widespread use in the region. It's a testament to the country's motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, meaning unity in diversity. Language indeed is a beautiful way to understand a culture, and Indonesia offers a fascinating linguistic journey. Indonesia is not just rich in culture and languages, but also in biodiversity. Now let's dive into the extraordinary world of Indonesia's flora and fauna. With an astounding 17,000 islands, each with its unique ecosystem, it's no wonder that Indonesia is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Let's start with the lush rainforests of Borneo, home to one of the most endearing species, the orangutan. These intelligent creatures, whose name translates to man of the forest, are incredibly similar to humans, sharing nearly 98% of our DNA. They're known for their distinctive reddish-brown hair and their astonishing ability to use tools just like us. But Borneo's wonders don't stop there. It's also home to the pygmy elephant, the smallest elephant species in the world. And let's not forget the Bornean clouded leopard, an elusive and secretive big cat whose beautiful coat sets it apart from its relatives. Moving eastwards, we find ourselves in Papua, a land of unparalleled biodiversity. It's home to the bird of paradise, a species so stunningly beautiful, it was once thought to be the birds of the gods. With their vibrant plumage and intricate mating dances, they are truly a sight to behold. Papua is also home to the world's largest butterfly, the Queen Alexandra's birdwing. With a wingspan reaching up to 11 inches, this butterfly is a magnificent spectacle of nature's grandeur. And let's not forget about the underwater world of Indonesia's coral reefs, teeming with a rainbow of fish species, majestic turtles, and playful dolphins. It's a veritable underwater paradise that adds another layer to Indonesia's rich biodiversity. But it's not just the animal kingdom that's rich and diverse. Indonesia's flora is equally impressive, with the Rafflesia, the world's largest flower, and the Titan arum, the plant with the world's largest unbranched inflorescence, both calling Indonesia home. This vast array of unique and fascinating creatures and plants, many of which can't be found anywhere else in the world, is a testament to Indonesia's unique position as a hotbed of biodiversity. Indonesia truly is a paradise for nature lovers. Let's tantalize our taste buds as we explore Indonesia's unique cuisine. Indonesia, an archipelago of more than 17,000 islands, offers a diverse culinary landscape as vibrant and varied as its geography. At the heart of Indonesian cuisine lies a delicate balance of sweet, sour, spicy, and salty flavors, creating an exciting symphony on the palate. Let's start with the country's most iconic dish, nasi goreng. Literally translated as fried rice, this dish is anything but ordinary. Prepared with fragrant jasmine rice stir-fried with a mix of vegetables, meat, and a sweet soy sauce called kicap manis, nasi goreng is often crowned with a sunny side-up egg and served with crunchy prawn crackers. Next up, we have satay, Indonesia's answer to skewered barbecue. This flavorful dish features tender pieces of meat, be it chicken, mutton, or tofu for vegetarians, marinated in a blend of spices, skewered on bamboo sticks, and grilled to perfection. The star of the show, however, is the accompanying peanut sauce, a smooth, nutty concoction that perfectly complements the smoky, charred flavors of the meat. And who could forget rendang? Originating from the Minangkabau region in West Sumatra, this slow-cooked beef curry is a true labor of love. The beef is simmered for hours in a rich, aromatic mixture of coconut milk and a myriad of spices, until it absorbs all the flavors and turns a dark caramel color. It's a dish that's as hearty as it is flavorful. But Indonesian cuisine isn't just about the main dishes, it's also about the snacks, or jajanan, that you'll find on every street corner. From the sweet and sticky klepon, glutinous rice balls filled with palm sugar, to the savory bakwan, deep-fried vegetable fritters, these snacks are a testament to Indonesia's culinary creativity. Indonesia offers a culinary journey like no other. From its hearty main dishes to its delightful snacks, each bite tells a story of the country's rich cultural heritage, diverse regional influences, and love for bold, vibrant flavors. Indonesia's cultural heritage is as diverse as its islands. This enchanting archipelago, home to hundreds of ethnic groups, is a melting pot of traditions, each with its own unique form of artistic expression. Let's delve into the captivating world of Indonesia's traditional arts, music, and dance. Imagine a stage set against the night sky, with silhouettes of intricately designed puppets casting an enchanting spell. This is wayang, the traditional puppet theater of Indonesia. An art form that dates back to 1,000 years, wayang is more than just a shadow play. It's a conduit for storytelling, often portraying tales from Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. The puppeteer or dalang is not just an artist but a maestro, controlling the puppets, voicing the characters, and setting the rhythm of the play. Now let's tune into the sounds of Indonesia. Have you ever heard music that's an orchestra in itself? That's gamelan for you. Gamelan music is an integral part of Indonesian culture, a symphony of percussive instruments like gongs, drums, and metallophones. Each region in Indonesia lends its own flavor to gamelan, creating a melody that's as diverse as the islands themselves. From the auditory, let's move to the visual, the mesmerizing world of Indonesian dance forms. Among them, the Legong dance from Bali stands out with its grace and beauty. A dance performed by young girls, Legong is a narrative dance, telling stories through a complex system of symbolic gestures and expressions. The dancers, adorned in ornate costumes and headdresses, move with a precision and elegance that's almost hypnotic. These forms of art, music, and dance are not just entertainment. They are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of Indonesia's cultural heritage, each thread carrying a story, a tradition, a piece of history. They reflect the spirit of Indonesia, a spirit of diversity and unity, of old and new, of tradition and innovation. Indonesia's rich cultural heritage is a testament to its diverse history and traditions. As we conclude our journey, it's clear that Indonesia is a land full of wonders and surprises. A country that boasts more than 17,000 islands, each with its own unique stories and treasures. A land where a multitude of volcanoes create a breathtaking landscape where the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon, roams freely in its natural habitat. We've delved into the rich tapestry of language diversity, which is a testament to the country's cultural richness. With over 700 living languages spoken within its borders, Indonesia is a true linguistic paradise. We've also journeyed through the rich biodiversity, where exotic animals and plant life thrive in harmony. And let's not forget the tantalizing cuisine of Indonesia, a delicious blend of flavors and ingredients that truly engage all your senses. We've also touched upon Indonesia's cultural heritage, a brilliant fusion of art, music, dance, and tradition that has evolved over centuries. Indonesia truly is a land of enchanting beauty and diversity. It's a place where every turn reveals something new and every journey is an adventure. It's a world waiting to be explored and discovered. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more about the world around us, do subscribe and stay tuned for our next journey. Until then, keep exploring.